The use of robots for stacking products on pallets is probably one of the most widespread robotic applications in industry, removing a potentially back-breaking task from the human workforce. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. With 30 plus years of experience, Robotic Automation is the leader in designing, building and supporting robotic palletising systems. The company has developed a wide range of standard palletising cells and continues to work in partnership with global robotics supplier Yaskawa Motorman to create new solutions that maximise palletising productivity. Robotic Automation has developed several patented robotic gripper solutions to suit the ANZ market and offers a wide choice of standard gripper designs to suit all types of end products. RA can combine case packing and palletisation into a single low-footprint solution, as well as integrating embedded AGVs for pallet handling. And you can find out more. Just go to roboticautomation.com.au or give them a call on 1300 552 333. And thanks for watching.